In this video, we are going to see how to insert a screenshot directly from Excel. The normal way is to, normally what we do is basically take a print screen, or we use any other software to cut the screen part, take a snapshot of the screen part which we want to insert. Instead of that, what we can do is we can directly insert the screenshot from the Excel itself. So what we can do in this case is we go to the insert tab. In the insert tab, the normal method, you can insert pictures, or the direct way is you go to, in illustrations, you go to screenshot. Now if you click on this small arrow, down arrow beside screenshot, it will open options. One of the options is if the windows are open. There are certain available windows. All of them will be showing here. Or you can take screen clipping. Say I show you the first part. So the window which is open is basically YouTube main page. So I can click on this and it will insert the screenshot of the whole page here. Now this is not fitting into the screen in the part which we want. So what we can do now, this is a picture, so we can edit it according to the same. So we have a lock aspect ratio. We can make this height to say 50%. Since the ratio is logged, so the width automatically will also become 50%. So now you can see this is getting fit into the picture. So we put it here on one side. Another way to do the same thing is, say we don't want the screenshot of the whole screen or the window which is behind. Like the picture which we took was this one. Now say we don't want to do that. We want a part of it only. So what we can do, go to insert, again illustrations, screenshot, and here instead of clicking on the available windows, click on screen clipping. So whichever window will be open, this type of screen will come up. Now I can take only a part of this for my purpose. Say for example, I want to take only this part. So I select the area, click on it, and it will start showing here. Now if you want to adjust the size, etc., again this is just a picture, so you can do accordingly. You can do, say you want to crop it, you can crop. So you can crop this also. Say you're feeling the width is too much, and so on and so forth. Click on it again. So we get the desired picture. So this is the way in which we can directly insert a screenshot or a part of the screen using Excel. I hope this tip was clear to you. Thank you.